The 4C error code on a Samsung front-loader washing machine indicates a problem with the water supply, suggesting obstructions or leaks that hinder the machine's optimal function. A steady water flow is necessary for the washing machine to work properly. Common causes of this error include a blocked hose, which can occur when the hose is blocked or kinked, a closed water supply tap, or low water pressure below 0.5 bars. Additionally, a clogged mesh filter can also trigger the error, often resulting from accumulated dirt when the filters are not regularly cleaned, thereby restricting proper water flow. To fix the error, it is essential to inspect the water hose by first turning off the power supply to the washing machine and pulling it away from the wall to access the hose. Check for any kinks, bends, or damage to the hose, as well as ensuring the connections to the supply and washing machine are secure. If the hose appears to be in good condition, proceed to check for blockages by disconnecting the hose and running water through it to clean out any obstructions before reconnecting it. It is also crucial to check the water supply tap to confirm it is open and functioning correctly. If the tap is closed, open it and check the water pressure, as low pressure can cause the error. If the water pressure is low, it may be necessary to investigate the main water source, as water levels could also be contributing to the issue. Cleaning the mesh filter is another potential solution. Locate the filter where the water hose connects to the machine, unscrew it using a screwdriver, and thoroughly clean out any debris before replacing it correctly. After reattaching the hoses and turning the power supply back on, run the water and start the machine to determine if the error has been resolved. If the machine still does not work, there may be a technical issue that requires professional assistance.